I'm too smooth for these dudes to be stepping on. They fuck around and slip and fall, break they bones. I make a song about the story of Kixie. I'm never in it for bitches. The road to glory and riches is long, quite treacherous for this mic messenger. If they stepping into my ring, I might wrestle them. My are you kidding? Flow fine when I'm spitting clotheslines. Got them flipping, slamming onto the mat. And they expect me not to laugh when they flat on their back. Them rap Barbies got no class, getting marked tardy. Even my whack bars be flyer than Matt Hardy. Jumping off the top of the rope, I'm that gnarly. Hit you with the back of my hand and leave the prints of the fresh ink raps that was written with black Sharpie. Bitches all up on me at parties and they hands pat me down like when I'm drunk and I'm looking for car keys. Musta left them up at the bar, please go back. It's times like these I need Kodak. It's Yacht Club, we be floating along. We singing this song in hopes that you'll be singing along. It's Yacht Club, and we be floating along. We singing this song in hopes that you'll be singing along.
I mix my passion with a dose of agility. Get a little closer, now they feel the inability. Slight pressure could blind one's visibility. Hence my facility is filled with artillery. Yeah, that's me, best believe I'll make you run too. Hunt you, manipulate the mind, no need to touch you. The swift sailor, I took her up, then nailed her. No trailer, like weed, I inhale her. Ecstasy, now they all wanna stand next to me. For the simple fact they heard my rap and its complexity. Chief commander with a clan full of generals, mind generators, creating that of electrical. I mean at first, most did seem skeptical. Now I hit the lab and leave with a bag full of chemicals. Pure entity, I go through the extremity. Adopt the rock and turn it into funky melodies. Double D, weed with no seeds be the remedy. Exquisite energy, able to lay down on my enemies.
And these days you can't focus on raps lyrically. Tracks tend to sound like trash if they lack delivery. Got it down to a science, but I never passed chemistry. Cats try to mimic me, but that don't count as symmetry. Actually, I'm flattered. The way they talking about me got me thinking I'm the only thing that matters. I think I'm Ash Ketchum from the way that I'm wearing my cap backwards. My walk rad swagger, my talk bad grammar. They think they tough as nails till I'm swinging that damn hammer. Coming back for revenge like they killed my grandmaster. Judo chop cowards like Austin Powers. One hit and they hitting the floor. They don't want no more, they fall down in slow-mo. Get up out of my dojo, I'm way too groovy to be losing my mojo. This ain't no movie to me, I'm sorry Frodo. I hit them where it hurts and I put them in the middle of the earth.
Some think I'm too blind for the front line. Be a fool, test mine, I break them off. Cloud of smoke arose from a crowd of folks. No sound of chokes, yacht life ain't no joke. Break cheddar, see hoes, whatever. Glued to the path I'm on, I aim better. Whether or not I tear or not, I know you fear me. They hear me, that's why I'm itching to say it clearly. Psychological, most mentally brain dead. No head like a bull, seeing only red and dim light. My pen right in full flight. At midnight, I strike the mic with a mind spike. He's right, there ain't no way that he's left. I'll be the rapper standing here until I'm laid to rest. But I doubt that, I see fools and they ain't even about that. Reroute raps on the wrong path, where your house at?
It's Yacht Club, we be floating along. We singing this song in hopes that you'll be singing along. It's Yacht Club, and we be floating along. We singing this song in hopes that you'll be singing along.
It's artificial.
And Yacht Club Kixie, singing along and on and on and on and on and on.